To operate Candy washing machine, make sure that the main switch is on. Open the lid by pulling this cover and close. Open this cover and load the soap inside and close. To turn on, twist this knob right here and choose the program you want to set. Once you have selected the program, you can press this button right here. Wait for the washing machine to load after pressing this start button right here. Once the timer stops, you can open this lid back, twist this knob back to its main position, and turn off the main switch.